Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update profile information on Delta Exchange. Delta Exchange is a digital asset trading platform where users can trade cryptocurrency derivatives such as futures and options. To keep your account secure and accurate, it's important to keep your profile information updated, including your account details and security settings. However, due to strict security policies, some profile fields cannot be edited directly and may require verification or assistance from the customer support. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down delta.exchange and enter. And once you get into this interface of your Delta Exchange, on the top right corner we can find this profile icon. Select there and you need to go to your user ID and make sure to log into your account as well. Under this, again go to this profile here and select main. In order to edit, you need to verify to your KYC. You need to register to your KYC, and that is it. Updating your profile information on Delta Exchange helps keep your account secure and ensures you receive important notifications. While some information can be updated directly from the profile settings, certainly may be locked after verification and requires KYC registration. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.